Want to know how you can turn your passion for creating videos into a way to earn money? YouTube marketing is a powerful tool that allows you to generate passive income by sharing your skills, knowledge, and interests with the world. Let's explore how you can build your channel, engage your audience, and make money doing what you love. Finding your niche. The first step in starting a successful YouTube channel is finding your niche. A niche is the specific subject area you'll focus on. This could be anything from cooking and travel vlogs to tech reviews, gaming, or educational content. Picking the right niche is crucial because it helps you attract viewers who are interested in what you have to offer. To find your niche, ask yourself these questions. What am I passionate about? Think about topics you love discussing or hobbies that excite you. What do I have experience in? Consider your skills or knowledge that others might want to learn. What are people looking for? Research trending topics online. Use tools like Google Trends, YouTube search suggestions, or social media to identify what's popular. Once you've answered these questions, you'll have a better idea of your niche and what type of content you'd like to create. Setting up your YouTube channel. Once you know your niche, it's time to create your channel. If you don't already have a Google account, sign up for one. After that, follow these steps. Create your channel. Go to YouTube and click on Create a Channel. Choose a name that reflects your niche and is easy to remember. Design your channel art. Create a professional-looking banner and profile picture. These visuals help establish your brand and make a first impression on potential viewers. Write your channel description. In your description, explain what your channel is about and what viewers can expect. Use relevant keywords to help people find your channel when they search. Set up links. Add links to your social media profiles or a website if you have one. This helps viewers connect with you outside of YouTube. Creating compelling content. Now that your channel is set up, it's time to create content. Consider these tips to ensure your videos are engaging and informative. Plan your videos. Outline the main points you want to cover in your video. This helps keep your content organized and focused. Start with a hook. Begin each video with a hook. A good hook captures attention and makes viewers want to keep watching. You could start with a surprising fact, an interesting question, or a quick preview of what the video covers. For example, did you know you can make money while cooking your favorite meals? Deliver value. Make sure your videos provide value to your audience. Teach your viewers something new, share helpful tips, or inspire them with your stories. Aim to solve problems or answer questions they may have. Keep it interactive. Engage your audience by asking them to comment questions or share their thoughts. Consider including polls or calls to action like, "Let me know in the comments your favorite recipe." Quality matters. Film your videos in a quiet environment where you can control lighting. Good lighting and sound make your videos more enjoyable. You don't need fancy equipment to start. Using your smartphone can work great when you're beginning. Editing your videos. Once you've recorded your video, it's time to edit. Editing is where you polish your content and add special touches. Here are some editing tips. Trim unnecessary parts. Cut out any mistakes, long pauses, or irrelevant sections. Keep your content concise and engaging. Add visuals. Include images, text overlays, or graphics to emphasize key points. Visual aids can help clarify complex topics. Use transitions. Use smooth transitions between scenes to keep the flow of your video natural. Sound effects and music. Add background music or sound effects to enhance the overall vibe of your video. Just make sure to use royalty-free music to avoid copyright issues. Include a call to action. At the end of your video, include a call to action. Encourage viewers to subscribe, like, or comment, or check out your other videos. Optimizing your videos for discoverability. Once your video is ready to go, it's essential to optimize it for search engines. This will help bring in more viewers. Here are a few tips for optimization. Use relevant keywords. Research keywords related to your video's topic and include them in your title, description, and tags. For example, if your video is about easy baking recipes, include phrases like easy baking tutorial or quick dessert ideas. Create eye-catching thumbnails. Design custom thumbnails that are visually appealing and clearly convey the video's content. Good thumbnails can greatly increase click-through rates. Craft compelling titles. Write clear, catchy titles that include your keywords. Aim for titles that create curiosity but are not misleading. Engage with comments. Respond to comments on your videos. Engaging with your audience shows that you care and encourages them to come back for more. Promoting your videos. Now that your videos are optimized, it's time to promote them. Sharing your content helps attract more viewers to your channel. Here's how. Use social media. Share your videos on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Tailor your message to fit the platform, and consider adding a personal touch. Join online communities. Engage with communities related to your niche. Platforms like Reddit or specialized forums are good places to share your content, provided you follow their rules. Collaborate with others. Partner with other YouTubers to create collaboration videos. This can expose your channel to a broader audience, gaining more views and subscribers. Email marketing. If you have an email list, send out updates to your subscribers whenever you release new content. Include links to your videos to direct traffic to your channel. Monetizing your YouTube channel. Finally, let's talk about how to start making money with your channel. YouTube offers several monetization methods once you reach the qualifications. Here's how to tap into monetization. Join the YouTube Partner Program. To qualify, you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Once in the program, you can earn money through ads displayed on your videos. Affiliate marketing. Promote products relevant to your content using affiliate links in your video description. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Choose products that you genuinely endorse. Sponsored videos. As your channel grows, companies may approach you for sponsorship deals. You can earn money by promoting their products within your videos. Selling merchandise. Offer your own merchandise, such as t-shirts or mugs, related to your channel. This can provide significant additional income and help strengthen your brand. Memberships and donations. Platforms like Patreon allow fans to support you directly by paying monthly for exclusive content or perks. This can create a steady stream of income and further connect you with your audience. Analyzing your performance. Don't forget to leverage analytics to monitor your performance. YouTube Studio provides insights into which videos perform best, who your audience is, and how viewers find your channel. Use this data to understand what works and what you can improve on. YouTube marketing is an exciting way to generate passive income through your creative passions. By finding your niche, creating engaging content, optimizing for search, and effectively promoting your channel, you can turn your love for making videos into a profitable venture. Remember, it takes time and dedication to build a successful YouTube channel. Stay consistent, be patient, and always look for ways to improve. Are you ready to start your journey toward passive income on YouTube? The possibilities are endless.